Let's see how to apply text effects in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now to apply text effects to your document, first highlight the text that you want to apply text effects to. Let's say we want to apply text effects to this first sentence right here. After that, click on this icon, the A with an outline, in the font section of the Home tab. And when you click on that, you will see a variety of presets that you can choose from, or you can manually edit your text and change its outline, shadow, reflection, glow, and a bunch of other different options. And as you can see, when you click on one of those presets, it will automatically change your highlighted text. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.